Babe, Martha went to Hawaii with her boyfriend and they look so cute. Like, I totally want to go, like, next month. Like, we should totally go. Right? Are you sleeping?
Fritanga?
Ever since I graduated from Braddock, I haven't been able to sleep.
You know what? We're over.
Well, we can't help you with your dying relationship, but we sure can help cure your sleeping problems. Introducing Sounds of Braddock. Sounds of Braddock features all the classic sounds from your high school years, such as your typical rowdy classrooms.
Yo, 220, where you at?
Ugh, I wish we had another fake bomb threat.
Yo, for real, bro.
To the classrooms with strict teachers.
Hey, shut up and do your work!
It also brings the memorable sounds of the hallway.
See what she was wearing? She like totally caught them out.
Yo, move, I gotta get a class.
Yo, chill! The cafeteria.
Yo, do you want your chicken?
Yeah.
I can't believe they're serving that again.
The locker rooms.
Yo, I just benched 250 at the gym yesterday, bro.
Man, you're way too skinny.
The men's bathroom.
Ew, Enrique, look at this, man. Ew, man, look how big that is. Ew. Oh, man, I'm gonna pee on it. Watch, watch, watch.
And the media center.
I'm playing Halo. Hey, Warlord 69, I just pwned you. Hey, shut up, man.
Just hear from these happy customers.
Ever since I've started listening to Sounds of Braddock, I've been having longer and sounder sleeping sessions. I now wake up more energetic in the morning. Pause, smile.
At first it was for the sleeping problems, but Sounds of Braddock is so good that now I take it on my work route, which just happens to pass by Braddock. Yeah.
Order now, and we'll throw in 2 exclusive sounds. The fire alarm and Little Havana.
¿Qué bolón, tiburón? Oye, ¿cómo está?
Sounds of Braddock is proven to be a reliable and incredible product. Brought to you by the creators of the Braddock Passport.